Welcome. So today we are going to do a mini vlog whereby we are going to clean my sink, the one that is just right outside the toilet. You use it to wash your hands when coming out of the washroom or when you're cleaning your teeth. Yes, or just randomly washing your hands. So guys, you can see how dirty it typically is. And yeah, so let's get to it. I'm going to show you what I'm going to use, so tag along, guys. So guys, this is the rag that I chose to scrub my basin with. It is somehow fairly rough, but not all that rough as to hurt my basin, but it is going to do the work of at least removing the dirt that is so stained. Yes, for those that are wondering why my sink is this dirty, I just moved into this apartment rather, and yeah, since the one that was using this sink wasn't taking good care of it, and at times we can't avoid to get one or two, three things that are missing in our new apartments. So yes, guys, don't mind, don't worry. It is not my doing. I just got it. I'm trying to restructure it, and it becomes to my liking. Wow, I love the results. The sink is white as it can possibly be, or as white as it has been in the past months or years. I love it. I love the results, and yes, my detergent did it for me, guys. So I hope you're gonna try it. You try to see if it is going to work for you with the detergent that you have at home.